In a quiet afternoon, the bus prepares to depart on its usual route. Passengers board, unaware of the danger ahead. But a police dog senses something is wrong. It starts barking, pulling at its handler, eyes fixed on the bus. The dog rushes toward the bus, trying to get the driver's attention. Confused, the driver hesitates. Passengers begin to notice the commotion. The dog won't back down. Something isn't right. The bus driver makes a snap decision. He evacuates the bus. One by one, people run for safety. And just seconds later, boom! The bus explodes in a massive fireball. Shocked but safe, the passengers look back, realizing the truth. The brave police dogs saved their lives. Applause breaks out. A hero in fur standing proud.